the new clay box. Inside a clay box, there are the 5 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. You can also make dolphin, starfish, crab, bus, tree, and joker, apple, and like a dinosaurs, animals. Fine motor skills, sense, form, and detail, imagination and creativity, hand-eye coordination. Okay? And this starting from age 3. Like this is the safe for kids. You can also push nothing, touch nothing. Okay? They can do also 4 years, 6 years, and maybe 3 years, age 3 plus to 10 years before. Now opening, I will share with you a cost. A cost is a $1.99. Now let's start it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Now this green and red and blue and pink and yellow, and these are the shapes, and no more things inside the box. Now I open the box, 5 box, and my father helped to cut out this plastic of the shapes. And the shape's name: first, this is a jaguar. Second, this is a bear. Third, this is a whale. And fourth, this is a duck. And these are colors. Wow, look, this is the forest color type of. Wow, this is the fire truck type of. Wow, this is the blue sea type of. Wow, this is the like a orange type food. And wow, this is very soft, yellow and like a sun. Okay, so first we will draw with the clay a whale. Okay, so whale is which color? Maybe it's a blue. So let's take out the blue, and I am to open the box. Okay, so wait, I will help with Papa to how to make a big circle. Now I am making the crab. These are the parts of a crab, and this is the red body. First, this is the hand we have to attach, and this is the another hand of a crab. Attach, and now the legs. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. this is a leg. Leg is done. Now that this is the opening part, and this is very sharp and very dangerous, and don't go close to the crab. If you go close to the crab, then the crab will bite. Now, thank you friends for my crab.